This is my everyday carry pocket knife. This Smith & Wesson brand pocket knife. Yeah, if I have my pants on, this is probably in it. It's a little scratched up from, good couple of years of good use, and yeah, it's never failed me. It keeps a nice sharp edge on it. It's still sharp now. I ain't sharpened it in a while. I've cut all kind of stuff with it. I know it's that something sticky right there. I need to clean it up. Great little knife. I've had this thing for I think 3 years now, and it's been a good performer, good knife. Sometimes you'll get cheaper knives, and they'll come unscrewed, and lose the screws, and the clip will come unscrewed, and you'll end up losing the clip there. And yeah, I have no problems with this knife. It's got a nice sharp edge. It's got the serrated part right there. It's easy to open close. Matter of fact, you can flip it right out quite as simply as it. Sometimes you have to adjust the cheaper knives to get them to do that, but this one just right from the start. That's not spring assist. That's just flicking it. So yeah, I've had this knife for about 3 years, and I carry it with me everywhere, and it's a good little knife. I've really been happy with this knife, especially with how well it's put together, how well it stayed together, how well it keeps a nice sharp edge on it. Been just really happy with it, and I've gone through several knives in my life, and this one is one of the better ones. I like these type of knives, these easy flip out knives, just because you don't always have two hands be grabbing a knife and opening it up, so you just grab that and flip it out, and yeah, good knife to keep in your pocket. That's a good birthday gift for Dad, Father's Day gift. My partner, she has a one that she keeps in her purse, whether or not she needs it for defense or for other reasons. It's always good to have a knife in your pocket, and it's something that's always, I think it's always a kind of a welcome gift to hand somebody a pocket knife as a gift. You don't know what they might want. It's always a good pocket knife always comes in handy for almost anybody. So if you're on this page and you're looking for something to get for somebody as a gift, or you're looking for a new knife yourself, this one you can't go wrong with this knife. This little Smith & Wesson knife, and I like the brand name anyway, Smith & Wesson, right? If you're looking at it, I think you'll appreciate it as much as I do if you pick it up. So go ahead and hit that buy now button, and I think you'll like it. And you have a great day.